Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bake with OE. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to perfectly frost a cake with Silky Swiss Meringue Buttercream. And if you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up below. The first is to add melted chocolate at the center of the cake pot, then place the first cake layer on top of it. Fill the top with buttercream and smoothen out with a palette knife. After which you can then place the final cake layer on it. Then freeze for 5 minutes before crumb coating and ensure that your cake is well placed. Apply a generous quantity of buttercream around the cake and evenly spread out with a palette. The purpose of spreading evenly around the cake and on top of the cake is to ensure that cake crumbs don't mix with the final buttercream covering. After crumb coating, use a small kitchen towel to wipe the excess buttercream on the cake board and freeze the cake for 5 minutes before applying the final buttercream covering on the body and on the top of the cake. So I tinted the buttercream with ash color and used the palette method of applying buttercream to apply the buttercream. Well, it's been a while I use this method as I'm always used to my piping method. Apply buttercream to the top of the cake and spread out evenly with a palette knife to achieve a flat and smooth top. So this is what I'm doing at this stage. Use a plain or straight edge buttercream scraper to smoothen the buttercream on the body of the cake. So I noticed there was some open parts, so I applied more buttercream to them and I used the buttercream scraper to smoothen them out. So you always have excess buttercream at the top of the cake, so you can smoothen them out with a sharp edge buttercream scraper. So here I used the black chocolate drip for the cake, and here I'm just making some pipings on top of the cake. Yeah, here I added some chocolate balls to the top and the base. So here's the final look